morning, students. We are welcome to Moodle Classroom TPJT. Now we discussed about EC8691 microprocessor and microcontroller for CSE department. This presentation is presented by R.G. Venkatesan. Now we discussed about 8051 CPU operation. Features, pin diagram, block diagram, architectures are discussed. 8051 microcontroller. Intel introduced 8051 developed in the year 1981. The 8051 is an 8-bit processor. The CPU can work on only 8 bits of data at a time. The 8051 became widely popular after allowing other manufacturers to make and market any flavor of the 8051. 8051 family. The 8051 is a subset of the 8052. The 8031 is a ROM read-only memory less 8051. Add external ROM read-only memory to it. You lost 2 ports and leave only 2 ports for I/O operations. Future 8051, 8051, 8031 features. ROM on-chip programs face in bytes for 3 type of processor. For 8051, 4 kilobyte, 8052, 8 kilobyte, 831, 0 kilobyte. RAM bytes for 3 processor. 8051, 128 byte, 8052, 256 bytes, 831, 128 bytes. Timers in 8051, 8031 having 2 timers, 8052, 3 timers. I/O pins, both of them having 32 I/O pins. Serial port, both of them having single serial port. Interrupt sources in 8051 and 831, 6 interrupt sources are there. In 8052, 8 interrupted sources are there. 8051 features 64 kilobyte program memory address space, 64 kilobyte data memory address space, 4 kilobytes of on-chip program memory, 128 bytes of on-chip data RAM, 32-bit bidirectional and individually addressable I/O lines, 2 16-bit timer or counters, 6 source or 5 vector interrupt structures with 2 priority levels, on-chip clock oscillator. Pin description of the 8051. 8051 family members, example 8751, 89C51, 89C52, DS89C4X0 have 40 pins dedicated for various functions such as I/O, that is input, output, read, write, address, data and interrupts. This is the dual inline package IC. Some companies provide a 20-pin version of the 8051 with a reduced number of input-output ports for less demanding applications. Pin diagram of the 8051. 8051 is a 40-pin dual inline package IC. Here 1 to 8 is the port 1, P1.0 to P1.7. 9th pin is a RST reset pin. 10 to 17 is the port 3 pins. Port number 10 is the received pin, 11 is the transmitted pin, 12 is the interrupt 0 bar pin, 13 is the interrupt 1 bar pin, 14th is the timer 0, 15th is the timer 1, 16 is the write bar, 17 is the read bar, 18 and 19 is the crystal oscillator pin, crystal 2 and crystal 1, 20th is the ground pin. Now 21 to 28, port 2.0 to port 2.7, that is port 2 pins. Here address higher order address lines A8 to A15. 29th is the program store enable bar pin. 30th is the address latch enable or programming bar pin. 31 is the external access bar, program voltage programming voltage pin. 32 is the 32 to 39, that is 39 to 32 port 0 pins. Here is the address data pins AD0 to AD7 pins. 40th pin is the VCC pin, supply pin. Crystal 1 and Crystal 2. The 8051 has an on-chip oscillator but requires an external clock to run it. A quartz crystal oscillator is connected to inputs crystal 1 and crystal 2, that is pin 19 and pin 18. The quartz crystal oscillator also needs two capacitors of 30 picofarad value shown in diagram. Crystal 1 and crystal 2 use a frequency source other than a crystal oscillator such as a TTL oscillator. It will be connected to crystal 1 and crystal 2 is left unconnected, shown in diagram. Here, speed of AT51 refers to the maximum oscillator frequency connected to crystal. We can observe the frequency on the crystal 2 pin using the oscilloscope. Reset pin is an input and is active high, normally low. Upon applying a high pulse to this pin, the microcontroller will reset and terminate all activities. EA external access is an input pin and must be connected to VCC or ground, that is supply or ground. Normally EA pin is connected to VCC. EA pin must be connected to ground to indicate that the code or data is stored externally. PSEN program store enable is an output pin and ALE. This pin is connected to the OE pin of the output enable pin of the external memory. For external code memory, PSEN equal to 0. For external data memory, PSEN equal to 1. ALE pin is used for demultiplexing the address and data. IO port pins. The 4 8-bit IO ports P0, P1, P2 and P3 each uses 8 pins. Port 0. Port 0 is also designated as AD0 to AD7. When connecting an AT51 to an external memory, port 0 provides both address and data. The AT51 multiplexes address and data through port 0 to save pins. ALE indicates if P0 has address or data. When ALE equal to 0, it provides data D0 to D7. When ALE equal to 1, it has address A0 to A7. Port 1 and port 2. In AT51 based systems with no external memory connection, both P1 and P2 are used as simple IO. The AT51 based systems with external memory connections, port 2 must be used along with P0 to provide the 16-bit address for the external memory. Port 0 provides lower 8 bits via A0 to A7, address A0 to A7 lines. Port 2 is used for the upper 8 bits of the 16-bit address designated as address 8 to address 15, and it cannot be used for IO. Port 3. Port 3 can be used as input or output. Port 3 has the additional function of providing some extremely important signals. Now we can see port 3 pins. Port 3 bit function pin. Port 3.0 received. Port 3.1 transmitted 10th and 11th pin serial communications. Port 3.2 interrupt 0 bar 12th pin. Port 3.3 interrupt 1 bar 13th pin external interrupts. Port 3.4 timer 0 14th pin. Port 3.5 timer 1 15th pin timers pins. Port 3.6 port write bar 16th pin. Port 3.7 read bar 17th pin. Both of them read or write signals of external memories. Thanking you.